Hey everyone, and welcome back to another video. Today I'm going to show you how you can unblock someone on Instagram. It's pretty easy. I'm going to show how you can do it. So once you block the person on Instagram, Instagram is going to make you unfollow it, and unfollow it and completely block it and block any account that has been made from that same device that had that account. So I'm going to show you how you can unblock a person. So you're going to launch Instagram. Now from Instagram, you're going to go onto the bottom right corner. From the bottom right corner, you're going to click on on the hamburger menu on the bottom right corner, okay? And from there, you're going to click on settings and privacy. Now, from settings and privacy, you're going to scroll down a little bit until you find something called blocked. Once you click on blocked, as you can see, these are the accounts that you can block and unblock. Okay, so if I go over here and I click on unblock and I click on unblock, I have successfully unblocked that account. So that was basically how you can unblock us person on Instagram. That was it. Thank you so much for watching, guys. Don't forget to like and subscribe, and I'll see you.